Guys, to make this dish, you're going to need 2 sticks of celery, and I've just peeled the outer skin and just cut them into 3. We're using 3 shallots cut in half, 3 big cloves of garlic, 3 whole carrots. I'm going to use some tomato paste, about a tablespoon. The star of the show is the meat and also this porter. It's a dark ale, not as strong as Guinness, a little bit smoother in flavour. We're going to use some chuck steak right at the back there. I'm not going to cut it up. All these ingredients I'm just going to throw in whole. You'll see everything happen in a moment. I'm going to add a little bit of rosemary there for my herb, and I'm going to add some parsley from my garden. Touch of olive oil and some black pepper right at the back there. Also going to add a couple of tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons of flour to thicken. That's going to be one of our thickening agents, along with the tomato paste right there. Let's get cooking, guys. Now this is a nice piece of stewing steak, casserole steak if you like. I'm just going to put a little bit of salt on there, followed by some cracked black pepper, just a touch of olive oil on the top. Now I've got my pressure cooker heating up. We're going to sear this meat now, and then I'll season the other side. I'm going to add a touch of olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Right, chuck steak in. Now I'm going to season the other side while it's cooking. A little bit of salt and some black pepper. So it's had a couple of minutes on that side. I'm going to turn it over. As you can see, it's beautiful golden brown. Going to toss in the shallots, followed by the garlic. I'm going to about 3 tablespoons of flour. That's going to be our thickening agent. And now we just want to cook this out. Okay, it's been cooking now for a couple of minutes on either side. You put the flour in, you're going to add the celery, a whole carrot, you're going to add our porter, which is 345 milliliters of porter, 2 heaped teaspoons of tomato paste, and about 500 mils of beef stock. Bring it up to the boil. It's on a gentle simmer now. Just going to pop in that rosemary, and we can take that out later. Lid's on nice and tight. The valve is closed at the back there, waiting for this now indicator to pop up. Now as you can see, that valve is now just starting to pop up. You can see the white part of the valve. This means that the pressure cooker now is up to full pressure, and we're going to give it 45 minutes from now. So now I've moved my pressure cookers right to the back of the stove. They'll take up to 45 minutes. Now, both of them, we should be ready to serve. There you have it, guys. That's my porter beef, or beef cooked in a beautiful stout or porter. Been cooking on the pressure cooker for 45 minutes, and I just want to show you how tender that is. You know what, that's why I don't cut it up, because it just falls apart. Just absolutely delicious. Very, very soft meat. You can see that. Look at that. Beautiful soft mashed potato, and the braised celery, lovely soft carrot. It's just a really nice winter warmer. Stay warm, and I'll see you on my next recipe.